Have scientists found a cure for aging? Is having not 2 but 3 parents a possibility? Icebergs discovered on Pluto? What does this mean? This is this week's coolest shit in science. Want to live longer? Of course we do. Well, it turns out killing worn-out cells called senescent cells helps middle-aged mice live longer by 3%. Senescent cells are ones that have ceased to do their usual jobs. They're like that lazy, smelly employee who's just dragging down sales but refuses to quit because they need the money to pay rent. To eliminate these cells, researchers prompted the cells to commit suicide. Destroying these cells improved heart and kidney function in mice, but senescent cells have previously been shown to be needed for wound healing, and mice that got the killing cocktail couldn't repair wounds as well as those that didn't get the treatment. Once treatment stopped, the mice were able to heal normally again. So while the findings are yet to move to human trials, the results suggest that people undergoing senescent cell therapy might need to stop temporarily to heal wounds from surgery or accidents. It hasn't been tested on people yet, but if the results hold up, they could lead to an entirely new way to treat aging. Cool shit number 2. Parenting has all of a sudden gotten a lot more complicated. We've always considered parents to be just 2, but now it looks like it's possible to have 3 biological parents. Why would a person need 3 parents? The reason behind doing this is to prevent rare genetic diseases that cripple energy-producing mitochondria from being passed from the mother to the child. How it works is that researchers extract and discard the nucleus of a donor egg containing healthy mitochondria and then insert the nucleus from a mother's egg. Sperm from the father fertilizes the egg, creating an embryo where most of the genetic information comes from the mother and the father, but a small amount of mitochondrial DNA comes from the donor egg. Therefore, the cell has 3 parents. This brand new procedure is known as 3-person IVF, or in vitro fertilization. Cool shit number 3. We've always considered Pluto to be pretty useless. It just kind of hangs out there and has not much potential. We've even demoted it to a dwarf planet. But images released from NASA's New Horizons space probe show that Pluto has icebergs made of real water floating in its sea of nitrogen. Astronomers believe it's water because water ice is less dense than nitrogen ice, resulting in these floating icebergs. What does this discovery mean? Could there be microscopic life within those water-based icebergs? Well, Pluto's average surface temperature is minus 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and tardigrades, also known as water bears, can survive in temperatures as low as minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit. And think about it, what if we could use those freshwater resources on Earth in times of drought? Maybe Pluto isn't so useless after all. So that was this week's coolest shit in science. What did you guys think was the coolest? Was it icebergs on Pluto? Or cells with 3 parents? Or was it anti-aging mice? Let us know your favorites in the comments below, and also let us know if you've seen anything cool in science, and we'll cover it in a future video. Hi everyone, I'm Jayde Lovell, resident science nerd on the Young Turks network. You're watching ScIQ, and we know you don't want to miss an episode, so please click the subscribe button down below.